In this example, we're going to be referencing the road string elevations onto another string, and this could be for a grading string or a civil point, for example. That can only happen where we have a sample position, so I need sample positions to be located at the corners of all of this line work. So we have a layer already created, and that is called section samples road 2, and what we're going to be doing is using those lines to give us the positions of the sample lines. So to do this, I go to the roads tab, resample sections, click on road 2, choose use layers, and then we're going to go ahead and pick the layer from the list, road 2. We want a search offset of 10 meters. This will just make sure that it picks up just the line work at the frontage. This won't be picking up the line work at the back. We'll add the sample sections by layer and include them with the other section samples as well. Click apply and exit, and OK. Again, if we change the line work and resample, these positions will update, but this now means that I can get references back to the road string and the codes on those without having to manually create them in the add extra sections form.